So here are some questions for 1.5. So one of them, what is the purpose of a device driver? So obviously it is software. Shrink the font a bit. That enables the computer operating system to communicate with the device properly. Device drivers are specific to each operating system. There you go. That's probably going to get all the marks. Assuming it's a 2-mark question, which it would have been. Right, so now I'm going to explain why you do not use defragmentation on a solid state drive. So quickly going to go, disk fragmentation happens when files are deleted, leaving gaps on the secondary storage. Ignore my spelling terribly. Oh my god, that's how bad that is. You can't even get it. Also, my microphone's in the way. Leaving gaps on the secondary storage. These gaps get filled by files, but this causes a file to be spread out. As a hard disk drive has mechanical parts, this affects loading times. I'm going to put moving parts, not mechanical. As it takes longer to move around data. A solid state drive, and I'm writing quite a lot of this, so I'm probably overdoing it, does not have moving parts, and it takes the same time to collect data from any address. Probably could have mentioned something like defragmentation orders the data. Just there, so I mentioned what defragmentation is. As a hard drive has moving parts, fragmentation, just updating the thing, affects loading time. It takes longer to move around that disk. A solid state drive does not have moving parts, it takes time to affect the very effective device. That'll do, that's fine. Perfect 3 marks. Right, so here it says compare the advantages and disadvantages of different user interface types. There are 2 main types of user interface which enable, which provide the link between the user and the hardware or software resources. Okay, so I've mentioned what user interface is. A command line interface is text only, so it is harder to learn and use. However, it does have a lot more power as it is directly linked to the hardware. More directly linked. I'll put more linked to the hardware. Anything else with the command line? You cannot change the appearance of a CLI easily, or much at all. A GUI essentially it's other things really. I'm just about to write the opposite. User interface allows an easier visual experience of using the computer and allows customization of the interface. There we go. That'll do. Pretty much got 4 marks there. Explain what interface is. 2 on CLI, 2 on graphical. Can't get fairer than that. Right, so there's some questions. Obviously, I can't go through loads of them because they're going to be in an exam or 2, but there's some and you see me answering them.